Good morning. Jim Boyd with Big Metal Buildings, serving Cypress, Brazos Valley in the Texas Hill Country. Hey, this morning we got a phone call from a customer up in the Woodlands who had some ongoing trouble with roof leaks. So we came out to take a look at what we've got here. Basically, the customer here has got an existing building and they're leasing it, they're not owning it. It's approximately 40 by 60 and it's an old Gavaloon PBR roof. And we came up here and they've reported some specific leak problems as related to the inside corner where they're getting here. And of course what we found is some quick problems that we observed. I'm going to turn my camera around so you can take a look at these. This is the immediate roof area that the customers reported having some leak problems on, and it's pretty obvious to come up here and see that there's been a lot of people that have come up here before us to try to solve this problem. So what they've ended up doing is pooking and masticking this roof. And that's something that we just never recommend for metal roofs, because at the end of the day, it just speeds up the deterioration of the roof, it masks the problems, and it makes it really tough to come back and fix the problem correctly. But we can. They've called the right guys. You can see in here where the customer or somebody that's come in to fix it has put some spray foam in here. Now, while it seems like a great idea when it comes right out of the can, at the end of the day, this material is so porous you can put your finger right through it. And it's basically just a sponge every time it rains. The other problem we see here is this roof is kicking uphill. And not only are they not solving the water problem, they're actually damming the water and it's pooling. And ultimately it's going to work itself down through this mastic. The last problem we see here is really they've just got inadequate rake and ridge detail. This rake trim was not properly done. It should have been fastened to the deck, not to the top of the rib like they've done, and they should have had full tape seal. Same thing with the ridge cap. They went with a small 6-inch wide on either side, and really they could have gone with a die-form ridge cap, which would have completely sealed this roof, and then you wouldn't have this issue in here where they're coming in here and trying to fill these voids. And in some cases you see the lap joints are coming open and they've tried to mastic those, and then in other cases you see where the foam closure is actually coming in. Again, a die-form ridge cap is this long-term solution for this roof. None of these problems is insurmountable, certainly something we can take care of. If you need help with your metal roof, somebody damages your metal building, or you just want to upgrade your roof and invest in your property, give us a call. BIGmetalbuildings.biz. Have a great day, be safe, stay dry.